Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you're watching this, guys. Masikia venye sauti yangu inakuanga host nikiamka. Apparently, I've not woken up like right now. I had to wake up at 6, prepare my niece to go to school, and then after she went to school, I went back to sleep at 7 because I wanted to sleep. And right now it's 9, so spend a day with me from 9. Yes, I know many of you are wondering, gosh, unaamka na t-shirt. Yes, I am at home, guys. You expect me to sleep in town? You guys are lost. You're super lost. You disappear and appear somewhere else. So, yeah, my hair is like that because I had a very terrible headache in the morning and I had to remove the bonnet. Yeah, nimepata t-shirt. Judiciary mnashanga imetoka wapi? Msijali, mind your business. Anyway, I have this t-shirt because I want to be the judge of my life. So, I'll be doing a lot of things today. Basically, this is not what I do every day, but this is what I'm doing today because it's spend a today with me, not spend a week with me, spend a Monday with me. So right now, I want to go and jump in the Frog's Kingdom. Ndio mwili ifunguke tuweze kufanya kazi. So stay tuned, please subscribe. It is illegal to watch this video if you've not subscribed. It is not going to cost you anything. Na haitakukatanga pesa. I know most of you are scared of that. Haitakukata pesa. Just watch, subscribe, comment, like, yeah. So without any further ado, tuende tukafanya nini? Tuende tukanawe, tukakoge. You guys must be very sick in the head to think that I'm here to show you me showering. Never. I'm just there to show you how I wash my hair. Nishakoga, nishangara. I'm using this Medicube PDRN Hydrating Cleanser. Sawa. Tuko pamoja. So, nimeweka zinaitwa nini? Two, like I've pressed two front button. Tone mbili za mwosho. Na kitu kingia kwa macho ni kali. So, already nishaoga, but sijaoga na sabuni kwa uso, sawa? Actually, even when I was recording the intro video, I had already washed my face with cold water. So, mara wangu yako inakaza nitaonyesha tu. Mnacheza. So, the reason is why I'm in the bathroom, it's because my tap does not have warm water. So I have to use what? Yes, you guessed right, the shower. So nasikia sauti bado iko hoarse from waking up. Tukiwa hapo hivyo saa 6 tukifanya recording takuwa naongea na sablano. Oh my days. So let me clean my face using my face towel. I need to get a class. Okay, watch me niende nikavae nguo nikuje tufanye skincare na nyinyi. Today you're spending a day with me. Mtaka kama ni wawili mtawatch. You can spend a day with me. Mtafurahi, mtapambika. You know I look different, right? Yeah, it's because I don't want the water on my head to drip on my face. So before I do skincare, two drops per eye. Ona kwenye zina drop in the eye. You see why I had to put the drops first before I do skincare? Because lazima machozi itatoka. So he said for 5 minutes that he said, yeah, but ifanya kazi for 5 minutes, I rinse my face and then we do skincare. Sawa. Now the eyes are ready to look at you like, what do you mean? Face is damp. Okay. Let's care for the skin. Nana nikisha inaisha rose water. My face is damp, like iko na unyevu because nimeweka mondo nikapaka rose water. My next product is the Ultra Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is how it looks like. You see that? Imekuja kwa lips kimepata chapango zao. Mtasikia a lot of some background noises. It's because I'm not alone in the house. Tuko wengi, kila mtu kwa shughuli zake. Yeah. After my serum, I'm using this. I know I need an upgrade though, but msijali inakam. Yeah, for the moisturizer, I need to upgrade. Inga hapa itatoka serum from soaking clothes. Hey, tuko na a lot to do. Onion, new repair, sunscreen, SPF. So this is what I'm using for my to seal everything in. Because tuwezi kuwa tumefanya hiyo kazi yote alafu tukubali kuchomeka na jua. Wakanda forever. And it's purple in color, but it is melting in the skin, okay? Don't be scared. Let me wipe this situation out of my eyes. And also, I wipe my lips. Now the situation is clear. Well, ingeleta shida kwa macho. But here, you see? Clean. Finally, but not like finally. This Frudia lip. Frudia. Unaona ya kitu imeguza jicho? Inaanza kuuma kidogo. But nimeiosha. Frudia. Ba mama lipo. Pita lipo. Mama ba mama hotel. And yeah, it is my skincare routine. Happiness. Guys, hiyo situation ya jicho inawasha. Haki haijaingia, sijui mbona inawasha. But it's breakfast time. So it's the tufia, like I do fear you, and this homemade mandazi. Yeah, we are destroying our body with gluten. I'm just gonna record anything. Let's joke a lot. Kwani zile kwa mandizi? Aliweka mandizi? Niliweka vitu zake. Zinaweka mandizi. Macho wangwana. Zile mandazi zinauza na ndizi. Zikipikwa, I was dead asleep yesterday. Sikunasema hii ni video ya Monday. Nilifika kwa nyumba 5. I just went straight to bed after kukula. Ilikuwa lunch nilikuwa tunakula. Hiyo 5. I went straight to sleep. Anyway, naomba mkisikia background noises, mjua I'm not alone here. Kwa watu wanne. Let me take my breakfast off camera. We shall know what to do next. Tena kufua. I've soaked clothes. Hiyo time nilikuwa nangoja macho isettle. I've soaked clothes. So we're done with here. We go to wash clothes. Tendeni nionyeshe my next update. Sina mtu wa kunishikia kamera. I don't have. Okay, but I have a tripod. Nimebeba because I'm about to do something here. Mmeguess mahali tunakuja? Oh, hiyo ni mlango inafungika. Those are called mura. Zile mavitu zinatoka kwa mbao ukipiga msasi. Inaitwa msasi ama msaka. So, this is called a brooder. Let me show you guys. This, let me come back here. Those are food animal feed isinya, okay? And sasa the mura. Let me show you what mura is. That is mura. This stuff that you're seeing here is what you feed the chicks with the first 2 days, because you see they're so tiny they cannot feed from hey, niko na brain fog, majina zinasahulika. So this is a brooder. A brooder is mahali unafugia kuku wako the first few days. I don't know how to explain further. Tukiwa tudogo juu tunahitaji joto, hii ndio jiko tunaziwashianga. So brooder mlango yake ni Ndoto tukuko. This chicken are how many days old? Zilikuja on Tuesday and today is Monday. So you can do the math. Is it 7 days old? Ona venye tunakaa. So I'll set my tripod so that you guys can see what you're doing. Zinahitaji kuongezewa chakula, a lot of stuff, but let me show you guys what we shall be doing with the chicken. I don't know my camera inaona hadi wapi, but you see this is a disinfectant for the legs. My shoes are ready. Let me show you. So no, it's safi, but these are chicks. You cannot go inside like that. So you have to disinfect your shoes, okay? Yeah. So shoes disinfected, so you can get in and do everything. So I'll go inside with the camera and show you what you're doing inside. Actually, Mura is an English name. Okay, I don't know whether to say English or rather it's an accepted name in the dictionary, and whatever you can see me doing is removing the particles. You see these chicks, as they eat, as they walk over the food, they leave the chaff, or rather the Mura, in the food. So that is why I was removing the Mura. I thought it is important to clarify that it is an acceptable, rather an accepted word in the English diction. Thank you. Continue watching. I love you. Kisses. Let me continue chewing my gum. Thank you guys. What's this? Yeah? Tumeloa jasho, hebu nini haka? Nikakilete. Si unaona hii mguu? I don't know what this chicken did here. It can't stand. Ndiko hako kashui. Ngoja tulia. It looks like that. Hadi akamei mabawa vizuri. Zinaitwa aje? Manyoya kana kanyangwa na wengine. Kama unataka kutuma usaidizi kwa huyu mwenzangu, namba ni hiyo. Angalieni venye zimelala, ziko comfortable. Ukiona hivyo they are very comfortable. Sinaona zimelala kutoka hapa kwa entrance. You see that? Angalieni. You see? And for those who might be wondering the arrangement, unaona ukiangalia vizuri nimeziweka randomly because of ile kitu imenichanganya, iliekwa jana. So pa every mahali pote kuna chakula, kuku ikigeuka inaweza kunywa maji. So unaona hiyo kubwa zinaweza kunywa hiyo ya nyuma, ama kama zinakulia side ya ndani kuna these 2 points. Alafu zikikula these 2 miharates, these 2 kuna hiyo. Zikikula hii yenye hapa karibu na mguu yangu kuna hii. Na pia zikikula hizi ziko ndani kuna hii, kuna ile, kuna hii. Zikikula hizi mbili kuna hii majiko hapa nje ama ile umeget like ikuwe tu karibu na maji because water is key. So around saa 8 nakuja kuangalia the water points and the food points and whether they are comfortable, but as you can see they are very comfortable. They are a week old. Tunafua nguo zikuwe safi na msafi na imetobolewa upside down. Sasa iko hivyo. Alafu guess tunatumia sabuni gani? Jamani inaniuma. Mimi nikikumbuka hizi nguo ni mimi nafua na nishachoka na sijaanza. Guys, the repair is so horrible. Let us wash these clothes. Tuache maji. Nilikuwa nishazisoak so msishindwe haka nako. Na kuna upepo. Tutaleange maji tukifua alafu tuweke ile soundtrack ya Say what you wanna say to me now. I just wanna wake up with you in the morning. Hii ni skirt yangu nikiwa high school. It was my skirt when I was admitted in Form 1. Sacred Hearts Nyaruria Girls. So nilipata kwa nguo zangu. I want to use it for content. So that is why I am washing it again. How many years down the line? I am a keeper. 10 years down the line, I still have my high school skirt. Enyewe I am a keeper. Kitu tu nimeshindwa kuweka ni mapenzi. Anyway, wacha tuioshe. So this is a skewer. So what is the work on the skewer? You guessed right. It's very precise. Yeah. Sasa nyuma mtaonyeshwa na nani na hamnioni. Msijali, I'll make sure you see. So mnaona venye light yangu ina misbehave and I am outside. Is it my phone or what? Let me check. No, I'll not check. If it is not straight, understand. Itabidi mmelewa. Because even in this life, not everybody is straight. Did I just say that? Gosh, that was so pathetic of me. So it's gathered like let me check my settings because I don't like how it is adjusting its lighting. Now because I am hungry, I'm going to deep fry Noma, make tea. What is this? This is not food. It's talo. My mother loves to cook her food with talo. If you don't know talo, I'll one day show you how to make talo. So, boiled eggs, Noma, tea. I am using these to boil eggs. I'll put like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I put water. And I put it here. So that is sweaty. Kuna cassava and some milk. Hey, voila. The best thing about Ushago is that you'll get fresh milk kwa kina fulani. Nende kama zapi, kwa kina Kenovia, kwa kina Joyce, kwa kina Joroge. That is the best thing, so. Acha tu nipifanye hizo juu angeshi anahitaji kutengeneza uji. Sijakilia mayai. you guys when I am eating. So this is how this thing operates. Ukishawasha hapo, tunaona imewaka here. So once the eggs are done boiling, itajizima hapa. Okay? Okay. Yale mambo ya kulialia mimi nimewacha. I am having white coffee and my ndoma nakula hizo. Na mhogo hizo zingine. Wangeshi actually hata ndio sahani. She has already eaten. Amekula mhogo mob na ndoma kidogo na mimi nikula ndoma mob. Na mhogo tu kamoja. Alafu mayai ziive nimepika. Mbona nimeweka 4? Nikula 2. Sasa ta imagine hii ndio lunch. Ta imagine. So I think from here I'll not record again because naendelea kushuka. Kiaga Julio nimekuwa busy kidogo. Wangeshi has going to check out the chicken. Actually Ben Ma was around, so they're going to check the chicken. So wameenda kaangalia the chicks. Si mnazikumbuka simeziona hapo awali. Unaweza kama mnazikumbuka juu saizi it's 3. I think it's almost 4. Ama it's already 4. Yeah. So I'll just finish eating this. Finish doing my hair. So tupatane jioni when my hair is done, maybe hopefully nitakuwa nimemaliza and see whatever else I'll be doing because I don't think there is anything else I'll do. Hakujapikwa lunch, so kuna vyombo za lunch. Vyombo za lunch ni hizi na nimepikia chai na ile sio zitoshwa tukikula supper. So nikimaliza I'll tell you I'll be cooking supper. If not, Wangeshi might help me as well because today is Monday. Yeah. Na nimemaliza ni hayo tu kwa sasa. Acha ni go and look whether my eggs are ready. Easily. A good try crunchy ndomas. You love them more than mhogo. This is my any day anytime snack. You can snack on them zikiwa tupu. Make sure when boiling the arrowroot you put some salt. Alright? And then now you chop them and then you deep fry. You can deep fry when it is full, but may prefer the small ones because I love the crunchiness. Also, either way you can cut large chunks so that when you're eating it is very soft on the inside. So you know how ndomas are very soft, but then on the outside alafu hizi si kama mhogo zikipoa bado ziko crunchy. So unajua mhogo inakuanga kaida soft ikipoa. You've had the crunch? Yeah. So let me enjoy my lunch. Let me go get my head. Oh, loves, I've been sitting here. Guy, I only have 8 minutes to record. I'll edit the first video. But this is the progress. So far, so good. You see? But the progress is amazing. So I'll pick up my camera and go cook. And then I'll do my hair later during the night, and if I get space on my phone, I'll be able to record me doing the mid section. I've not recorded the mid section. Domana nimebakisha hiyo to show you how I do my mid section. Back here already so, and this side to do maybe 2 what do you call it? Without double fixing. Alright? Yeah, so let me go make dinner for the family. We shall be right back after the break. It's I think 6:30. And we have to cook. We shall read. What am I cooking? I'm boiling rice, stewing this, and I was not even remembering. Because our family is a Kikuyu family, we shall later karanga githeri as stew. Okay, class, are we together? So our stew today, this is boiling rice, this is kamwere, like beef. I'm not going to tell you how to be there. He better be stew, okay? So I'll not record the process of cooking because I don't have space in my phone. I will cook and then I'll show you the outcome when I serve. And of course, I am trying to say, like, we have to like you feel me? You get what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, guys. So let me just explain the brief. Haya ni maji ya kuchemsha nini mchele. The only thing I put there is oil. And in the meat, I'm just saying, kwa nyama pia naeka mafuta na maji na funika. Ngojeni isiende. Oh, naangalia the pixel kahimara yangu kwa umbali. So this one is for the rice, and this one is for the camera. The best thing about Himalayan salt is that you use a little and it tastes. It has a big taste. So this gadafuria is for karagai. And then at least here ya barafika. So yeah, and it is all hard made. So I'll just cover here and then cook. Thank you so much for watching up to this place. You guys are amazing. Lots of love. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And then after watching Spend a Monday with me, the next video you're going to watch is me doing my own hair. Actually, this is what leaves a space in my phone. Because tell me why I'm recording me doing the whole hair. Look at that. Wacha nisianze kuonyeshana nywele nikiwa jikoni, nywele zisingie kwa chakula. Anyway, adios. Na labda hata nirecord kichwa. But adios. Wangwana, as you can see, I have already finished preparing supper. Nitafungia hii video hapa. Nimepika rice, cabbage, kamwere, tunyama kumbali, and githeri. Niliwaambia this is a Kikuyu home, so githeri has to be there. My mother is recording me. This is so beautiful. So anyway guys, comment, subscribe, watch, share, and make sure you watch my next video. Itakuwa hapa juu, right? Yeah. The video about me making my hair. I'll continue making the hair. Yes, you can see guys. Yeah, the video about me making my hair, how to do your own hair at home. It is the easiest method that you can do. Yeah, you see the way I'm sweaty, so I'll finish having my food, go take a shower, alafu niendelee na kushuka, and then I'll post for you guys to see. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, adios. I love you guys. Bye.